So this is like very quick video to not waste your time. What are the best, highest yield savings account right now on the market that you can check out? So the first one that I highly recommend to do and check out is OpenBank. So with the OpenBank, what you can actually expect is a constantly higher than competitors. You have like 4.2 API right now, so that's like very good. Also, you got stable rate over time and also insured by FDIC. So OpenBank 4.2 API, very good. Now the next one is Exos Bank. So you have got like here 4.31%. Now what is very important thing to say, guys, is that even if you decide for like, let's say Exos Bank, right? So the difference between like 3.5% and 4.1%, oh my god, like 4.1% on $10,000 is like $60 a year. So that's what is like very important. If you get like 10K there, 3.5% and 4.1%, difference is $60 a year for 10,000. So this is something that you have to be aware of. So okay, 4.31%, and the Exos Bank is a great alternative. You got combined checking and saving account, no fees, publicly traded company. And it's not really like well known, but this is something that you can also check out. VioBank. So the VioBank also is interesting one. Maybe you will like it. So you get 4.16% API, and you get quick transfers, decent mobile app, FDIC insured. Genius Bank. This is like another one that you can check out. So Genius Bank also got 4.05. So that's like very good if you want to actually like get it. And you got like quick transfers, decent mobile app. Then you get also like Fortright Bank here. So this is another one. You get easy transfers, security conscious, straightforward. So that's another one. Then also Sophie, but Sophie got only 3.30. And this is also like another one that you can actually check out for yourself. So we got votes for saving goals, all-in-one checking, saving, investing, fast transfers, and $300 sign up bonus available. So this is like kind of like another one for you to check out. Maybe you would like it. And then you're gonna also like the Apple saving account. So that's another for you to actually like check out for yourself. You got a very great interface, Apple ecosystem integration, but you need to have like iPhone required, and it's through the Goldman Sachs. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video provided a little bit of value. I wanted to make this like quick to the point, what you can actually like expect, and have a great day and goodbye.